Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about stacking your media arsenal with evergreen pitch ideas. Evergreen pitches are those that are not breaking news or timely news or things that happen every year all the time. Things like holidays, things like seasonality, uh, anything at all that is always happening in the calendar is what we call evergreen. Sleep disorder in December, graduations, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all of our major holidays. Those are evergreen story ideas. So think about in your industry what relates to you all the time and make a list so that when you're not pitching breaking news stories, you have these evergreen stories to fall back on. So that is this week's PR tip. If you like that tip and you'd like to learn more, please download our free blueprint at captivateandcashin.com/blueprint. It will give you all kinds of tips like these and others so you could really hone in on your message and your pitch and actually pitching the media. So please share any successes with me, and I cannot wait to see you in the media.